Hey. Whoa! Look at it. Oi! Come here!
Osbornes in Jamaica.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Obviously it's Misha here from the Osbornes in Jamaica. It's Sunday today, last day of the week. Some of you have seen the last video that we've put out about us being hacked, and today's an update. A few days since it happened on Tuesday. And we're in a better place. We're in a much better place.
Oh, God.
All right, Hazy. Here.
Hazy, can you hold this with one hand like that? You can hold that camera. That makes you feel better. You cannot drop it though. You cannot drop it.
I'm just undoing Hazel's hair like as we talk.
It. If you can get us all in like that, Hazy, and just hold it like that.
Yeah, I'm just undoing Hazel's hair as we talk, so like excuse us. But yeah, so yeah, today's just a bit of an update really. We do have good news. We're back into Google.
Wait there 1 second, I like your unpicking tools.
I didn't have like a rat tail
I
comb.
told you to use that.
So
and you were like, I told her to use one of these about
this
3 hours ago, and you were like, laughed at me.
all right,
What?
okay. Let's
I only just saw you using it.
let's keep on track. Hazel, stop moving the camera, sweetie.
Hazel, just hold it like that, sweetheart, and don't move it.
Anyway, an update about where we are. We're
When
back.
Mommy does my hair, it's a bit awful for me to hold the camera up.
All right, just you do your best, sweetie, for a minute. This isn't going to take
Do you
very
like
long.
chocolate, Hazel?
Yeah,
I bet you if I said you can have some chocolate, you'd keep that camera still.
yeah. But Dad,
Yeah.
I can't hold the camera still.
You can't do it anymore.
Okay.
No.
Thank you for telling
Right,
us.
you just carry on.
So we are back into our Google account and we are back into YouTube. Is everything back the way it was?
Don't know yet, really.
We're still discovering. We're still basically finding out. It's still very early days yet. It's just a blessing to have the YouTube back. We're just so grateful, so happy. It's been, as I say, a stressful week, a really stressful week. I mean, do you know, it's been I don't even really get stressed, but it's been so stressful that I've not really eaten. We've both not really eaten, not really slept that well. It's
Theo,
honestly,
can you get off the chair?
honestly, it's been like a really testing and trying week.
Yeah, it was, if we didn't get the channel back, honestly, and I mean this like truly, that would have been it. And
That
to
would
be
have
honest, to begin with, it looked like we weren't going to get the channel back. So obviously you have to apply to Google YouTube on Twitter, and at first we weren't getting any feedback. They weren't getting back to us, were they? How many messages did we send before we got picked up? Like
So
4 or 5?
what happens is we got hacked and we didn't actually know where to turn. So that video that you saw was a few hours after we had got hacked. Google doesn't have a customer service number which you can pick up the phone and ring, so we just didn't really know where to turn.
We had some messages come through from people, some subscribers, and they messaged us and said like, you've got to do this. We got onto the Twitter, we looked at it and we messaged them. And Twitter, YouTube didn't get back to us at all.
Called Team YouTube on X.
Yeah.
So it's not Twitter, but yeah, on X.
And apparently they don't pick up everything. Waited the next day and still nothing, so we didn't get a response back. Now, you have to have certain ingredients in the message that supposedly, we don't know this is true, but like triggers the AI to pick up your
Requests.
So then after we did the research into what actually needs to be in it, so like they take your request like, and someone actually looks at it, then we did that, and that was like on day 2, the end of day 2, so it was like 2 days, and then on the 3rd morning we woke up and there was a message from YouTube, Google, saying that we had to try again. We had to respond to a message from them, and then they sent a form, and then we had to fill in a form, and then we sent the form back. Misha got some login details, which she then changed, so she logged back in, and after that, the account came back, but it didn't come back immediately, did it?
No.
Then it just like pops up and you've got it back, but you don't receive an email telling you got your account back.
To be honest, it was, shout out Raquel, Returnee Rack, who actually told us our channel was back online. We couldn't even check because otherwise we wouldn't have actually even noticed that it had been brought back to life again. We are back on YouTube, back on Google. As I say, we're still discovering the extent of the damage. A wonderful subscriber, thank you, sent us an email.
A subscriber sent us an email with a screenshot in, and that was like really critical for triggering the AI.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, thank you to that subscriber, because having that proof of our account, once YouTube and Google get into the account, they can see what's happened immediately, right? But you have to kind of like shout loud and put stuff into the email, into the Twitter to trigger like a response. And
like keywords.
Thank you so much to Google, thank you so much to YouTube, thank you so much to everybody that helped us get the channel back, because truly, from the bottom of our hearts, obviously we've like taken on this trip and this endeavour and this massive life-changing journey that we've gone on to try and, you know, make life better for everybody.
Yeah.
And there's been risks involved, and this was something that we didn't foresee coming, right? And it really did, like, we didn't know what was going to happen with it for like 3 or 4 days, 4 days.
Yeah, it was very, very uncertain time, and very, very, to be honest, for me,
it was looking bad, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was pretty scared.
Sorry, go on.
Yeah, I was pretty scared. I was thinking, do you know what? I was thinking we're going to have to go home. I was thinking we're going to have to, you know, sell the car. Like, all these things, horrible thoughts were going through my mind, and I was just devastated at the time. Absolutely devastated, thinking that I'm going to have to tell my podiatry patients, well, the ones that I've got booked in, that I won't be able to see them. Yeah, it was really uncertain time.
Yeah, we didn't hear anything for 3 days. So obviously,
You're thinking the worst, aren't you?
yeah, you're thinking, well, the window of opportunity has passed here now, and it's not going to get picked up. And even if it does get picked up, the stuff online is like, you might get your channel back, but you might not get your, like, I just want to say thank you to absolutely everybody that had said a prayer for us.
Absolutely.
And it's allowing us to move forward again and be able to stay in Jamaica.
Yes.
Like,
and carry on trying to achieve our dream, achieve our dream of building a home for the babies, for the children, build a podiatry practice. Thank you.
Yeah, trying to just make sure that we're in a place where the children can be happy and accepted. We're really grateful that we've got our channel back to YouTube, Google. Super grateful for their help, and
have a biscuit because she's there crying.
Thank you so much for everybody that, you know, said a prayer or wanted us to get through this.
Thank you for your support. Thank you. Like, honestly.
Thank you to all our friends, people that like have supported us. We didn't know where we were, what was happening. So we just knew that there's a chance that you can get it back. There's a chance that you can't. And we're just in that like period where it was really uncertain. But we have got it back now. So we're just going to keep on with what we've been doing. Nothing's going to change. We're just going to keep documenting our life. Misha's going to keep documenting, hopefully, fingers crossed, the growth of her of our podiatry business, really. One day I'll be getting back to doing foot care as well, because I do as well. But the reason why I don't do it, guys, is because I am not a Jamaican citizen yet. Hopefully,
That's it.
I applied like a year or two ago. I can't work until I've been in the country for 6 months at least.
Which is coming up, really. So
I've got like a month. I've got like a month or so too until I'm allowed to actually work.
Oh, sorry, darling. Sorry. That's the last one. But yeah, stick with us. Stay tuned. Obviously, like now we know we can stay, and everything's, as I say, everything's okay. Hopefully, we can just put this behind us and progress forward now.
Yeah.
Well done, Hazel. That's all of it done, darling.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Hey! Because I can't see. Whoa! Look! Oh my lord! Come out here. Let me see your beautiful hair. Whoa! Look at it! Oi! Come here! Alright, stop. Whoa, that is lovely hair.
The volleyball will.
Thank you so much, everyone, for your love, your support, your kindness. Honestly, thank you for those that have been helpful to us in this time where we've just been very stressed and upset and not knowing what to do. So thank you for your support. Yeah, like I said, we're just going to keep on pushing forward now and onwards and upwards again. But thank you so much. Again, stick with us, follow with us, subscribe to us, and we will see you in the next video. And the Osbornes are staying in Jamaica. See you in the next video.